Hi all, Keith here. Welcome to the video. This is going to be our top 5 table service restaurants at Walt Disney World. If you don't know, table service restaurants at Walt Disney World would be anything where you would sit down at the table and a server would come over and take your order. We're going to do our list a little bit different here and only hit the highlights. Because who's got time to go over the entire menu? Let's see if we can do this in 2 minutes or less. We'll start the timer right after the intro. So let's get into it. Roll that intro. At number 5, we have Tony's Town Square Restaurant. You'll love this place because they have some great Italian food here. From pizzas to pastas and even steak. The Italian trio is my favorite here, but my second pick would be the chicken parmesan and finish it off with a nice gelato. At number 4, we have Skipper's Canteen. You'll love this place because it's a fun extension of the Jungle Cruise ride. The waitstaff here has a great sense of humor and it's on full display as you eat. They have adventurous food here like fish with the head still on, but my personal choice would be the lamb chop. If you're not feeling adventurous, get the taste like chicken because it is. At number 3, we have the Crystal Palace. You'll love this place because it's a fun Woody the Pooh meet and greet buffet. They have a wide selection of food here, so no worries about picky eaters. Also, the chefs here are great at accommodating people with food allergies. Also, this restaurant is right in the hub, so you could have a great view of Cinderella's castle while you eat. At number 2, we have the Liberty Tree Tavern. You'll love this place because the food is served family style and it's always Thanksgiving here. From turkey breast to pot roast, stuffing, mac and cheese, and so much more. You'll love this place. Dessert is served with every family style meal, so save room for that ooey gooey toffee cake. And our number 1 table service restaurant in the Magic Kingdom is Be Our Guest. You'll love this restaurant because you get to visit Beast Castle for Beauty and the Beast. They have great food to choose from here, but my choice would be the French onion soup with a center cut filet and finish it off with the gray stuff. It's delicious. It's encouraged here to take a walk around the castle, so make sure you do that. And before you leave, head over to a fun character meet and greet with the Beast himself. Woo! How'd we do? Did we make it? Well, before we head out, I just want to make one final observation here. I know some people are going to say, well, Cinderella's royal table should be in here. And I agree, the atmosphere is great, meeting the princesses is great, but I couldn't put it on this list because I've never had a good experience with the food there. The food is just kind of meh. I don't know why that is, but every time we've gone, it hasn't been great. So if you want to do that, great, but don't go there for the food, go there for the experience. Anyway, make sure you hang out and check out another video. Don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe if you're not. Also, share this video with your friends if you found it helpful or if you think they might find it helpful. If you like this video and you want to support the channel, head over to our coffee page. I'll pop it up right here. And you guys can just drop us a tip there. We'd really appreciate it. It's also linked below. We'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace and love.